Hi, I'm Chris Price. I'm a professor in computer science at Aberystwyth and I'm running the iOS Dev Conference. We get developers from all over the world together who work making iPhone apps, and they come to Aberystwyth to find out the best ways to do these kinds of things. We've had some great talks, especially on core ML, so machine learning and how you fit that into your app, how you can teach your app to recognize things in the real world. Another interesting thing is ARKit. Augmented reality is in some ways more interesting than virtual reality, because in virtual reality you've got to go into a different world and put goggles on. In augmented reality, your phone shows extra things in the world you're already in. So perhaps one of the best examples of that is Pokemon Go. We're making it easy for people to build those kinds of apps, and for much more useful things, for things like IKEA deciding you choose from a catalogue a new table, and you see how that new table fits into your living room. Well, most of the people who come to this conference are people that are building these things in industry. So you can see this from our sponsors. So two of our main sponsors are Capital One and Cookpad. Cookpad is an interesting set of people. It started in Japan. They are the biggest app in the world for teaching you how to cook things. On Thursday, we're looking at how people can use this AR kit, this augmented reality kit that makes it easy to make augmented reality apps, and we're going to try building some apps with that. September 2018 will be the 8th iOS Dev. We started it 7 years ago. It's as popular as it ever was, and we don't see it stopping anytime soon.